Hi guys, welcome to my channel, a new restoration. Today I feel like doing this axe. I already made a start on this axe about 2 years ago. I started grinding with the angle grinder. However, I gave up because there was too much rust and pitting. I want to do this now because I have a sandblasting cabinet which I didn't have back then. So at least I'm gonna get rid of all the pits. Might not look perfect in the end, but I'm just curious what we can do with this axe. It has a very long shaft. It's potential for nice hardwood handle, maybe with some brass elements. You can see there's a bend to it. Try to straighten up, and yeah. So follow me along, join the journey, and I hope you're gonna enjoy the restoration. Let's have some fun. The footage you can see now I shot 2 years ago, so I'm taking you back in time when I purchased this axe. I got it from eBay. I paid £8 for this axe plus postage. Okay guys, this is straight after sandblasting. You can see the metal is clean, rust free, but it still has them deep holes after rust. Do you think this axe is worth working on, or would you just put it in the bin because of the state of it? Look at it. Very deep pits. This side is better because I was grinding it away 2 years ago, but look at this. Look at them pits. I'm not gonna be able to get rid of them, so what I'm thinking, I'm not gonna bring it back to original state. I'm just gonna modify it. I have an idea what to do. I think it's gonna be interesting to watch, so stay with me and you'll see what I have in mind. But first of all, let's get rid of this bend. Okay guys, and there it is, restoration of the axe is done. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reveal the axe head with you guys. I haven't done it myself, I haven't seen, so I don't know if that goes well together with the handle I made. I like the handle. Handle looks pretty cool to me. The only thing I would change is the size in the middle. Feels a little bit too small for me, too thin. However, luckily the both ends are bigger, they're getting wider, so your hand not gonna slip away all the way down. And yeah, that's it. I'm quite pleased with the gap there. You barely see the gap where I joined two pieces of wood together. Bottom of it, I think, yeah, it's still wet from the boiled linseed oil. So that's the handle. Let's have a look at the axe head. Okay, and there it is, the axe head. What do you think? I think it looks pretty cool. Polished. Because there was too many holes after pitting, I just decided to modify it. I didn't want to grind it away. I just modified, adding them scars. It's called battle scars. Brass piece here. I brush it with the fine steel wool, so it has a brush finish to polish it. Axe is not sharp, however I'm gonna sharpen it off camera with this stone. Yeah, two sides, so I'm gonna sharpen it. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comment below. Did you enjoy the modification of the axe? Would you call it restoration? I think it's back to service now, and it looks cool. Looks like it's ready for a zombie apocalypse. I'm pleased with it. Alright, thanks guys for watching. I'll leave you with the beauty shots, and I'll see you in the next restoration.